Frustration mounts when vital WhatsApp conversations vanish, leaving users desperate for a solution. Having personally navigated the complexities of retrieving seemingly lost chat history, I've consolidated proven strategies that genuinely work, and I'm ready to unveil them to you right now. Our first method leverages cloud backups. WhatsApp routinely backs up your chat history to either Google Drive for Android or iCloud for iOS. When you uninstall and then reinstall WhatsApp, the application automatically detects and prompts you to restore from your most recent cloud backup. This process is highly effective because it retrieves your data from an external, secure server, completely bypassing any local device corruption or accidental deletions that might have occurred. It's the most straightforward path to recovering your data from a clean slate. Next, we explore local backups, a powerful option often overlooked. WhatsApp creates daily local backups on your phone's internal storage. By using a file manager, you can locate these Megastore DB crypto files. The genius here is that you can effectively instruct WhatsApp to restore from a specific older local backup. If your most recent backup is missing the chats you need, you can rename an older backup file to mimic the current one before reinstalling the app. This manipulates WhatsApp into using that chosen older file for restoration, bringing back chats from a previous point in time. Our third approach involves carefully renaming these older local backup files. WhatsApp keeps several days' worth of local backups. If you accidentally deleted chats yesterday, but your last cloud backup was a week ago, renaming an older backup from 2 days ago can be your savior. By selecting an appropriate older backup and renaming it to the standard Megastore DB crypt format, then reinstalling WhatsApp, the app will prioritize this newly named file for restoration, effectively stepping back in time to retrieve your missing conversations. Finally, if all else fails, contacting WhatsApp support becomes essential. When automated recovery methods aren't enough, reaching out to their dedicated support team can provide a critical lifeline. They possess internal tools and server-side access that might allow them to diagnose deeper issues or even assist with data retrieval that is beyond user control, making them a crucial last resort for truly lost chat history